Alright, day 2 at the Grampians. First day riding around. All packed up, showered, breakfast done. Gonna head down to Dunkeld first, have a look down there. Sean's always talking about how beautiful it is down that way, so just take the tourist road down there, and then we've got a couple of tracks sort of lined up we want to have a go at. Ros Versma, who has a YouTube channel, did one of the tracks. Can't remember what the name of it is off the top of my head, but I've got it marked down, so we're going to try and do that one today, have a look. So anyhow, you right, moto chick? Okay, let's do it. Good first night in the tent, wasn't too cold, pretty comfy. And we think we'll be able to handle that, which is good. It's really looking forward to exploring around here. Last time I was up here, did a wheel bearing and didn't really get to do what we wanted to do, so everything's fixed now. We're here again and we are looking to do some exploring. So yes, you're right, honey, it is a cracking day. Should be about 26 degrees. It's probably about 17 at the moment, just perfect. But anyhow, let's start heading toward Dunkeld. We turn off from Dunkeld, on the way to Dunkeld, we're at Victoria Valley. Let's go and have a look. Let's have a look, honey. Well, if that view is anything to go by, this will be unreal. End up across on that mountain range over there later today once we go through Dunkeld. How are we going there? Alright, this is Dunkeld. So that's Dunkeld done, had a look at that, and now we're going to do Victoria Range track. The track Ros Versma did. So see how we go. Might be a little bit too much for Jackie, so we're just going to have a crack and see how it goes. If not, we'll just head back to Hall's Gap. So push on, honey, and see what it's like. Well, what a view. Alright, honey, there's the sign we've been looking for. Gravel Road. You right? Alright, let's go. River Road. Alright, yeah, I think Sean and I have been down here. I'll get out in front of you a bit, honey, and let that dust go. Right at your pace. Jackie's got a dust storm back there. A big dust storm. Alright, this is it. Victoria Range Road, four-wheel drive track. Yep, let's go and have a look. It might be a bit much for Jackie at this stage, but we're going to have a look anyhow, and if it is, we just turn around. You right? Yeah. Okay, let's go. Now, well, Jackie, a little bit of sand. Jackie and I have been wanting to do this ever since we saw Roz do it, so here we are. Here, give your arms a rest. Well done, Dale. Well, that would probably go down as the hardest track you've done. Nah. You reckon? No. How you going, honey, after that hill climb?
Oh, I'm a bit nervous.
That was Jackie's greatest hill climb she's done to date. It's going to look flat on the GoPro, but there was a couple of pinches there that were pretty gnarly. Definitely harder than anything she's done before, so to get up to the top, she's pretty happy, aren't you?
Yeah.
So there's
sunk in yet, it will later.
No, that's great. Really, really good. So we'll just, there's a bit of a lookout just over here, so we'll just walk up and have a quick look at that. Come up this way, Dale. She's a bit jittery after that one, but that is going to set her up for, you know, any other sort of gnarly tracks we've got coming. But that was super impressive for her to get up there. But this is something you've just got to stop and have a look at. Amazing view. And a huge drop off. How good's this?
It's like we're the only people here.
Yep. Spectacular. And I think we're about halfway along. That's our little breather at the top of that pinch that Jackie just got up. Now we'll head on off. You ready? It's so beautiful through here. Look at the rocks to the left. Wow. That is amazing. I hope the GoPro really picks this stuff up. It tends to not, but wow, that's awesome. Alright, let's keep going. Here she comes. Doing so well. With such a new rider, to be tackling this track is super impressive. I think he's Hallett, Mark Hallett. Pretty sure that was his name, yep. So we'll be at Mark Hallett's secret camp spot soon. With a bit of luck. I don't think we'll miss it. This place is just something else. Just a little pinch here that I'll be riding Jackie's bike up because it's a bit gnarly. Like full on gnarly. Well, that was a bit crazy, that hill, hun. That'll look flat on the GoPro, but it ain't flat, and it is rocky as shit.
Not for me. Oh my goodness.
Teamwork gets it done, Dale. Teamwork gets it done. Alright, we've just found Mark and Roz's secret spot. Let's go and have a look. Wow, what a camp spot. We'll definitely be climbing up those rocks. Chuck the drone up and have a good look at where we are. Here she comes, coming down to Rossie's spot. It was definitely on our list of places we wanted to go to, and she's made it. She's here. So when we meet Ros, you can tell her you did it. Well done, Dale. Super impressive. Just stop here is fine. Well done. Wowee. Whew. So we've finished at Ros and Mark's secret spot. Time to head down the last bit of Victoria Range track. Start heading our way back to Hall's Gap and probably to the swimming pool. You right to go, hun? Okay, let's go. Well, got some awesome drone footage up there. It's just spectacular, this place. It's just hard to put into words how good it is. I think anyone that, like I said earlier, that can ride, you've got to come here. Yep, Victoria Range track, 4-wheel drive track. Awesome. Down to the helipad. Here she comes. Great job. That's a full-on track. Oh well, there you go. Jackie did it. How good's that, Ros? There's the helipad. I remember watching this on Ros's video. I think I can't remember the guy's name, but from Traverse, I think it's Traverse magazine. He took off that way, and I think he went that way, and Ros went the other way. So no, we're heading down this way. So anyhow, let's keep moving and head back to Hall's Gap. Alright, so Jackie and I, we've done Victoria Range Road. We're heading out on a major dirt road. Can't remember the name of it. That's not too much longer. Get back on the asphalt, and then there's a short little stint into Hall's Gap. It's got a couple of beers with both our names on it. It's been a massive day for Jackie. Big learning curve, and she has killed it. It's well out of her comfort zone, that track today, and no issues with her. She just sucked it up and did it beautifully. Wow, look at that view. That is unreal. Jackie and I are just at Reed's Lookout. I was here with the boys about, I don't know, 3 weeks ago, but seeing we're in the Grampians, we had to stop in and have a look. There's the fire tower there. And that mountain range just over there is the mountain range we rode across just before today. And then we came through this valley through here and then up the asphalt road, probably about the last 10 k's. We've got 10 k's to go back into Hall's Gap. So I thought while we're passing, Jackie hasn't been here, so we definitely had to stop in and have a look. So yeah, how good's that? It's top notch, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. All right, let's head back, go and get a beer.